the mountain was a bit of a surprise. Because you expect to find many things when you come to Vietnam. Communistical farming, reminders of the war, stunning food, massive heat. What you don't expect to find is a deserted ribbon of perfection. One of the best coast roads in the world.
Hey guys, so we just had breakfast and the bike is almost packed up, almost ready to go. The only thing on today's agenda is to go over Hai Van Pass. This is really exciting for us. It's something we've wanted to do for a very long time. If you don't know what Hai Van Pass is, it is one of the most scenic routes in all of Vietnam. Everybody takes their bikes over there and apparently it's really, really stunning in terms of views and scenery. So that is what we're going to be up to today. The Top Gear crew made it really, really famous in 2008, I think it was. So hopefully we can get equally good footage for you today to show it off a little bit. So let's go for a drive.
We're barely out of town and already we're being rewarded with the most amazing views. We've stopped off at a little rest stop. There are a bunch of other tourists here, naturally, but the view is just out of this world.
So the pass is about 21 kilometers long. We've done between 7 and 10. Complete guess. We're so busy taking in the surroundings that we have no idea how long we've been driving for. It's so stunning. No picture, no video is ever going to do that justice. We got really lucky with the weather as well. No rain predicted. We've had bursts of sunlight as well and some ominous clouds too. So it's been really dramatic and amazing. I would really recommend this to anyone. Of course, you can hire a car to do this trip as well. You don't have to do it by bike, but nothing beats the wind in your hair and the freedom of looking around like a bike provides. So far so good. We're having so much fun.
Right where we shot the last clip, there was a road leading off the pass. So we thought, hey, let's go see what this is about. There was a big red sign that had some Vietnamese writing on. We don't know what it said, but we followed the path anyway. It was so beautiful, coming all the way down the mountain, just winding down, completely overgrown. So obviously it's not used very often. We haven't seen anyone on here. There's a little beach, according to Google Maps, called Banana Beach, which we really wanted to find. But unfortunately, we've hit the end of the road. We try to hike down to see if we can get down to the beach because it looks, according to the maps, about 800 meters away. But unfortunately, it's just completely overgrown. We can't get down, so we're going to have to make our way back up. So Hai Van Pass, all in all, super beautiful. Definitely recommend it. If you're traveling between Hue and Hoi An, I would definitely take the Hai Van Pass rather than the tunnel or the bus or the train. As far as I know, the bus goes through the tunnel. The train, I think, however, goes through the pass. We've arrived at our accommodation. It's super basic, just a bed, a bathroom and a balcony, but at least we're right on the ocean. I'm not sure if you can see behind me through the trees, but we're basically on the beach. We can hear the waves crashing. We can also hear some karaoke down the road, which isn't odd for Vietnam.
So Chan Mai Bay is quite an interesting little place. You can see they're not really used to many tourists because as we're strolling along the beach, we're getting all kinds of funny stares and looks, and that's usually what tells you that this place isn't very touristy, which is cool. There are locals everywhere, families playing, kicking balls around, and of course we've got to go take a dip. It's been such a beautiful day and this is just the perfect way to end off.